Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by testing a small corner so you know how the adhesive behaves. Once done, heat the sticker evenly for about 30-60 seconds until tackiness loosens. Use a hairdryer set to medium heat at roughly 40 to 60 degrees Celsius and hold it 1 to 2 inches away, moving constantly so you don't scorch surfaces. Then slide a plastic card or your fingernail under an edge and lift slowly at a low angle. This minimizes residue and surface damage as the adhesive softens. Once the sticker comes off, you'll often see residue. To dissolve it, apply a few drops of 70% isopropyl alcohol or a commercial adhesive remover directly to the sticky area. Make sure to blot and rub with a microfiber cloth in small circular motions rather than scraping. This avoids scratches while lifting residue. If the glue resists, repeat the heat step briefly to soften it, then reapply solvent and wipe clean. Finally, rinse the area with a damp cloth to remove any chemical traces and dry fully. To finish, wash the cleaned surface with mild soap and water, rinse, and dry completely to restore appearance. Once dry, apply a protective wax or clear film if the item will face future stickers. This seals the surface and makes any subsequent sticker removal much easier. If paint or laminate feels compromised, stop and consult a professional. One key troubleshooting tip: always test any solvent on an inconspicuous spot first, so you can avoid unintended discoloration or damage before treating the whole area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.